How do I change the voice of Alexa to Jarvis?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we will guide you through how to change the voice of your Alexa into Jarvis. We're going to bring the Iron Man experience into your home. Let's get started.
What do you need?
Before we get started, you'll need an Amazon Alexa-enabled device, the Amazon Alexa app installed on your smartphone or tablet, an active internet connection, your Amazon account details.
Launching the Alexa app.
To begin, you'll need to open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. You can find this app in your device's app store if you don't already have it installed.
Accessing Alexa settings.
Once you're in the app, 1. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. 2. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. 3. Now, tap on Device Settings.
Selecting your Alexa device.
In the Device Settings, you will see a list of all your Alexa-enabled devices. Select the device that you want to change the voice for.
Changing Alexa's voice.
After you've selected your device, 1. Scroll down to the Alexa's Voice option. 2. Now, tap to select the voice you prefer. If the Jarvis voice is available, it will be listed here. Note, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Amazon Alexa does not directly provide an option to change Alexa's voice to Jarvis. However, you can use skills or third-party applications that mimic Jarvis' voice. If this is the case, the steps would slightly vary, and you'd need to enable the respective skill or app.
Ensuring the changes.
Once you've selected the new voice, Alexa will confirm the change. Test it out by asking Alexa a question or giving a command. And that's it. You've now successfully changed the voice of your Alexa device. We hope you found this guide useful and enjoy your new Iron Man-esque experience. Remember, if you want to switch back to Alexa's original voice, just follow these steps again. Happy chatting with Jarvis.